So Mam Tor now, just approaching the path at the bottom. Right, that's a good old climb now. It's looking amazing already. So, the beginning, let's go. Looks like from up there's a lot of steps, so I think if you live in a bungalow, maybe try coming down here once a month just to get your steps in. Yeah. Decided to run up a bit. That's why I'm a little bit gassed right now. But I think I'll just take the view in a little bit before I start heading up. There's the scenic road, well, the road that gives you a scenic view I mentioned earlier. Looks like we're pretty much at the top. Let's go and touch the stone at the top. So we're at the top now. Let's go have a sit at the other end before we start heading back. So back to the car now, through the back way. So that's the end of today's Mam Tor trip. It wasn't great. It wasn't greatly huge. It was to be fair, a very, very short little hike with a bit of shortcuts and a bit of running about. And worth noting, I specifically chose a quote-unquote bad weather day to come here for the video. mostly just because I sort of find quote unquote bad weather a lot more exciting. Well, I think that's more true for waterfalls such as Malham Cove, places like that when you go wall swimming, etc. But I came here once when it was really sunny and there was sort of no clouds and mists like this covering the landscapes and then the views. So I think if I had to choose between the two, for Mam Tor specifically, I would definitely visit a sunnier day rather than quote unquote bad weather day. To be fair, they've still been great. You get plenty of amazing views and you get plenty of steep little hills and got a ridge there, got a few ridges around here actually. So still great, but personal preference for Mam Tor, I would definitely choose a sunny day just because you get some amazing views. But I think for other places I'll definitely choose this weather, and a bit of rain as well for waterfall locations, just because it makes swimming a lot more fun, but you don't really get to swim here. No waterfall around here as far as I've seen yet.